Hey everyone, today I have a Dior Beauty haul for you, and I will also be unboxing their latest gift from the Dior loyalty program. I always share with you whenever I get their newest gifts. Over the years, I've gotten a train case, a vanity set, a book tote, but this gift I would say is definitely the most fun of all the gifts so far. Dior is one of my go-to places whenever I'm looking for a gift, and especially with the holidays coming up. I love shopping from them because everything is so beautifully packaged. For the holidays, they have this really pretty gold metallic ribbon, and then depending on what you order, some of the gift sets have the gold foil on the packaging, or they will package your items up in this little reusable gift bag. They offer complimentary shipping and handling with all orders. All orders ship complimentary, and you can also include a personalized message with your order. You can also pick out complimentary samples of your choice at checkout. I usually opt for the fragrance samples, and they're all packaged in this very cute little gift pouch. And then if your order is over $100, you actually have the option of choosing a deluxe mini sample. Again, always choose the fragrances. This is a deluxe mini of their Eden Rock Privé fragrance. They also usually offer a men's fragrance, so I try to get the Sauvage to gift the men in my family. Dior Beauty's holiday collection is always my favorite every single year. Their gift packaging on its own is already so beautiful. You don't need to do any additional gift wrap. It's just ready to gift for the holidays. I ordered a couple of the Dior Beauty holiday gift sets for myself, and I will probably pick up a few more for the holidays. So I'll go over all the different options with you. These gift sets are available exclusively at Dior.com. Everything I talk about will be linked in the description below, so you can go ahead and click to shop. Dior was very generous to offer a promo code that I can share with my followers. You will receive a complimentary gift. Again, I will link everything in the description below and the promo code, so you can go ahead and click to shop any of these beautiful gift sets. Before I get to the holiday collection though, I did want to share a latest fragrance to my collection. This isn't a new fragrance, but I've been eyeing this because this is one of my favorite flowers. I picked up from the Privé, the Dior Private Collection fragrances, Holy Peony, which I love the name Holy Peony. I love peony flowers, and I got the full size. There is the juice. I'm a huge fan of fruity florals. This is described as a fruity floral, and it's got notes of rose, lily of the valley, and then once it settles, you can really smell the top notes of strawberry and raspberry. And then it's kind of grounded with an earthy woods and a slight musk. It's so pretty. And I love the magnetic cap of the Privé fragrances. I usually wear fruity florals in the summer, but this has kind of an iciness. I don't know, almost like frozen raspberries, not just regular raspberries. So you could really wear this all year round. I'm such a fan of the Private Collection fragrances. I own so many of them. They just last really well on me, and I think when it dries down, it just smells so great on my skin. So if you haven't tried these out, I definitely encourage you to try these out. And if you don't want to yet splurge on a full-size fragrance, again, if you place an order over $100, you can get usually the option to choose a deluxe Privé fragrance at checkout. So it's a great option, but I definitely recommend Holy Peony. And then moving on to the Dior holiday collection. Again, everything in this collection is already beautifully gift wrapped and ready to gift for the holidays. But the first one I got is actually, I'm wearing on my lips right now. It's the Rouge Dior Forever Liquid Sequin Holiday Gift Set. I'm wearing the shade Divine on my lips, and they repackaged this so it has the same matching gold holiday packaging. Actually, it's mixed metal, gold and silver. This is described as an ultra glittery and ultra pigmented liquid lipstick. And now I actually don't usually go for liquid lipsticks, but I love how versatile this formula is. It's very pigmented, so if you really want to build up that color, I actually wore this in my last video and it was a very deep, very bold color, but today I really just sheared it out on my lips and then I topped it with their lip oil. So it can be worn for every day, but if you wear this full force, when you press your lips together, it has this really pretty gold, kind of a shimmery finish. So it's really great if you want to kind of transform to an evening look. If you have any holiday parties or birthdays or any types of, family gatherings, you can definitely dress this up. But for me and my everyday makeup, I like to wear it really sheared out. So that's what it looks like on my lips up close when it's kind of sheared out. But if you want to see it in full force, is how it looks on. Once it dries down, again, when you rub your lips together or just kind of blot them, you'll see the gold kind of ultra fine little glitter sparkles pop. The next color in the gift set is in the shade Sequin. This is more of a maroon color, where this is a little more brick red. This has a little purple in it. And this is also maybe a little darker, I think. A little more purpley tone. The Rouge Dior Forever Liquid Sequin Holiday Gift Set comes with 4 shades, and depending on when you check out, because I believe some of the shades have been sold out, so you can opt for the 4 liquid sequins gift set, or you can also shop this separately and choose the colors individually if you want. My favorite gifts from the Dior Beauty Holiday Collection, however, are definitely the ones that include a travel makeup bag. They have a few different options. First of all, they're all beautifully packaged already. You don't need to gift wrap this separately or even put a bow. It has this very pretty gold metallic foil. This set is the Pink Glow Ritual, and I really like this because I like that it has the blush and the lip glow oil. This set is packaged in this beautiful Dior gold like sequin metallic gift bag. It's this really pretty raffia material. The Dior is embroidered on, you guys. It's not like a sticker or, you know, something that will fall out. It is embroidered. And then even the zipper pulls have the Dior signature CD logo and their signature star logo. It opens up all the way around, which is, I just noticed, it's so nice when it does that, because sometimes with these little pouches, it only opens up at the top and it's a really narrow opening. This opens up really wide, and it has these gussets on both sides, so the makeup doesn't fall out. The Pink Glow Ritual set comes with their signature Rosy Glow blush in their shade Pink, which is actually very flattering on, even on my skin tone, and I have a pretty medium skin tone. I have it on my cheeks right now, and it just really brightens up right on my cheekbones. I kind of mix it in with highlighter also. And then you also get the lip glow oil in the shade Pink. The Pink Glow Ritual set retails for $80, which I think is a great value with the blush and the lip glow oil. But if you're not a fan of these products, or you already own them, or you're looking for something else, they have a few different gift sets. At $66, this is the least expensive of their holiday gift sets, the Dior Show Volume and Definition Holiday Gift Set 2024. It also comes with the gold metallic travel bag, and this set comes with the volumizing mascara and the lash primer serum. The next set is the makeup and skincare set, also in the gold bag. This set comes with the lip maximizer and the lip glow balm, and you also get skincare. I already own the full size, but you get a deluxe miniature of the Capture Total Le Serum. Another great option is the Beauty and Care Ritual Holiday Gift Set, again with the same bag. And then this set comes with the Le Balm hand cream, which I love that it has this top that flips up so you don't lose the cap. And then you just squeeze out the hand cream and snap the top closed. And then you also get the Dior Le Balm Lip Balm. The Beauty and Care Ritual set retails for $100. And then the last variation of this holiday set is the Volume and Glow Holiday Makeup Gift Set. This retails for $113. Again, with the gold makeup bag, and also with the Dior Rosy Glow blush. And then you also get the same lip glow oil, but then you also get the Overcurl mascara. So this is basically like the Pink Glow Ritual set. This one retails for $113 versus the Pink Glow Ritual with just these two products is $80. So lots of great options. It really depends on what you want to gift. The recipient uses, maybe if they're interested in, you know, just like the basics, or if they just want to wear mascara. I'm a huge fan of the hand cream, so I usually gravitate towards these gift sets, but tons of great options. Again, I'll link them all below. And if you want to gift something a little more extravagant, of course, I have to mention the iconic Dior Advent Calendar. This is the Le 30 Montaigne Dior Beauty Advent Calendar. It is their signature like trifold. It has 24 miniatures, and then there's a big grand finale on the 24th day. I've purchased this and I've unboxed this for the past few years. I didn't get it this year, but it looks like they made some improvements, because if you look at the sneak peeks, they have some really nice products in here. Some really nice deluxe miniatures, including skincare, fragrance. We have some beauty, a lot of really great options. I am always a huge fan of the Advent Calendar. Again, this is the large size. If you're not quite interested in the full size, or if you don't want to make that investment, I always recommend also the Le Mini 30 Montaigne Holiday Gift Set. This is a much smaller version, but it's basically just the Advent Calendar, but just really shrunken down. Instead of 24 days, you have the 4 little doors. In the Advent Calendar this year, it looks like the doors are able to be closed rather than like paper doors that just kind of rip open. So the Le Mini 30 Montaigne is a miniature version. You get 4 deluxe travel sizes of Dior's bestseller. Definitely a great gift. You get the same experience of the full-size Advent Calendar, but without the full-size Advent Calendar price tag. And now for the latest loyalty program reward. I believe this was the gift with it's either silver status or platinum status. I'm pretty sure also your status restarts every single year. Then you kind of start from zero and then your purchases go towards the next status. Anyway, I'm just completely butchering it. Again, I'll link it below, but you can sign up. It's totally free to sign up. And when you go to Dior.com, it explains all the different rewards and the perks that you get with each tier. But this was the latest gift and I was really excited because I was like, you know, as much as I love the bags, I have a ton of bags. So I like when they offer different options. So it opens up very securely, like so. You have this little booklet that opens up that explains the gift, and this looks like it was hand packaged. Very pretty. I love the blue around the world design. They have like a travel case, train case, and then a book tote. So they gifted me a puzzle. It is a 500-piece puzzle, and you can see all the pieces there. I am assuming that the finished picture is this around the world design. This is kind of a hard puzzle because they're all very similar colors and lines. And on the back, it has a warning that the puzzle should be used with children over 6, which is perfect because my youngest child turns 6 next month. So now he'll be able to put this together. My oldest son also loves puzzles. I'll go ahead and read this to you. It says, "A promise of timeless moments, this exclusive 500-piece puzzle features the around the world motif, highlighting 2 of the House of Dior's iconic inspirations, the Toit de Jouy and Christian Dior's Lucky Star. The Cotier perfumer's signature makes it even more stunning, an invitation for magic and escape between the worlds of dream and play." Very cute. One of their other gifts was also like a notebook and coloring set, or like a stationery set. And then they also had like colored pencils. So I like that they're kind of branching out and it's not just another bag or another tote, as much as I love those. But I like that they switch it up with a puzzle this time around. So that is the latest Dior loyalty program gift, a 500-piece jigsaw puzzle. So make sure you sign up for their loyalty program. Again, it's free to join. You just sign up with your email, they track your purchases, and then whenever you qualify for the next tier, you get an automatic email, and then the gift just shows up in your account so that when you go to check out, you don't even have to place another order for another item. You can just check out with just the gift. So I was able to order these beautiful holiday gifts, and then I went back and I was able to get my loyalty program reward gift without an additional purchase. So I just love shopping from Dior.com for the holidays. Again, everything is beautifully gift wrapped and ready to go, including their holiday sets with the little charms. This would be such a cute little makeup bag. This is such a cute gift for the holidays, even down to the detailing and the little gussets on the side. It's very well made, but tons of different options. Again, I will link everything in the description below, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you plan on picking anything up from the Dior holiday collection this year. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.